This is Cameron doing yet another proof video of our trade lines postings. This is going to be shorter because we do a lot of these now, so I'm pretty much you pretty much know that our lines do post. We've done over 100 of these videos showing proof posting, so I'm going to do a real brief video and give you some content on the back end of the video on how to get a quick primary for your CPN. So anyway, this is the CPN profile we set up for this gentleman. We set it up in the beginning of June of 2018. Of course, when we set it up, it was zero profile. As you see right here, zero. Again, all of our numbers are SafeScan and LexisNexis safe, which means you can be rest assured that the number has not been issued to anybody. It does belong to a dead person or a young child, which is very important when doing CPN numbers to avoid fraud and any kind of illegal activity. We want a clean, free CPN number to start with. Having said that, so we have the clean CPN number. He ordered a trade line about the middle of June, and his score jumped to 742, as you see right here. Let's see what he ordered. If you go here, we'll look at Equifax first. Let's see. Bear with me. I clicked on the wrong button here. So, click on here again. Let's try it again, see what happens. On Equifax, here, one account, 1 year, 9 months. Let's see. The reason why I'm showing this particular profile because this trade line is available for the next few days on a promo for $350. It's a very good trade line. It's normally $395. We got it for $350. It is a 6.6K. Almost 2 years, 1.9, 1 year, 9 months. Perfect pay history, as you see here. Zero balance, again, very important. Authorized user. Here you have posting, trade line, authorized user. Let's go here. Wait a minute, go to TransUnion. So on TransUnion as well. So that's another short video showing the postings. What I want to get into right now is also we have over some of these starter trade lines. We have another one that was a 5K 1 year, and that's a promo going for $275. So we have a lot of the starter trade lines. They're great for CPNs to jumpstart them. Let me just say also it's good to combine these small trade lines with some primaries. We'll get a HuttonChase.com. We want to get the Horizon. We want to get the My Crown Jewelers. Again, you mix these with this trade line, which gives you history, then you're more inclined to get approved for credit cards. Always remember, you want a mixture of primary and authorized user trade lines. I will put some links below for these primary as well. You can look these up as well. What I want to do is show one I discovered recently. One of my clients actually turned me on this one. Is a furniture one, very CPN friendly. Can get you a primary and get you furniture too, called Cons Home Plus. And I believe he told me he got this with a blank CPN, so they're very CPN friendly. But again, it's always best to get some kind of score going, a small trade line. It will improve your chances of getting credit. And you want to also keep in mind to limit your inquiries. The more inquiries you rack up, the less your chance of getting approved. And this applies for Social Security numbers as well as CPN numbers. Inquiries are really an indicator, good indicator of the credit you'll be receiving. The more inquiries, the less credit you'll be getting. So trying to stay around 5 or less. When you get to 7, 8, and 9, it's going to be more and more difficult. Past 10, it's going to be next to impossible to get credit. You can remove inquiries, but you want to, be careful about racking them up on a rapid pace. So this is the cons on Plus that is very CPN friendly. Also, want to let you know I discussed the Z card, Integrity card. I had this about a year ago, and they were coming out with a primary. I wasn't sure whether it even worked or not, but kind of called me and said the primary posted. So this is going to be a good card to have for one. It's a debit card. It gives you a bank account on your CPN. But more importantly, they're now offering a primary, and I'll put a link below if you want to find out more about this card as well. I was just waiting to see because I've been promised a lot about primaries and nothing posts. This particular one does work from what I hear. Got feedback from a client. Also want to let you know that a lot of people don't know this, but we also do business funding. What I mean by that is if you have a business and you're making at least $5,000 to $10,000 a month on your business, an up and running business, we can get you a loan. Credit doesn't really matter. It's a revenue-based loan. So long as you're making $5,000 to $10,000 a month, you can show 3 months bank statements. It's a one-page application. I can get your loan in about 2 to 3 days. Now, they'll loan you, they'll match what you're averaging monthly. So let's say you're a hair salon and you're making $30,000 a month and you have real bad credit, real terrible credit. You can't get a loan anywhere, that you've been turned down. Well, this company I'm working with, they will give you a loan that will match what you're averaging. So if you're making $25,000 a month for the past 3 months, they will lend you $25,000. So it's a great loan. They close fast, 2 to 3 days with limited paperwork. Again, a one-page application. Credit doesn't really matter. I also have a credit builder program. If you have an existing business and you want to build it up, we can put a trade line on your business to build it up, and then we'll show you how to get more trade lines in 2 to 3 months to get a $50,000 loan very quickly. Again, that's no PG. So for more information about the business programs, call me as well. Again, we do the CPNs. Those are our flagship products. We do the trade lines. We have several trade lines. But a lot of people don't know this, but we do business funding and we do business building. So give me a call for more information. It's 202-213-2218. Have a blessed day.